In our massive experience with contract engineering, we discovered that lots of other companies had great ideas, but didn't have a way to turn them into a functioning product. And that could be as simple as they can't afford the massive cost that an engineering team requires. If you're going to be manufacturing products, you have to suffer through paying the people to develop those products while you don't have the product to sell. So ProtoTitan is the end result of my partner Chris Clark and I taking our massive experience in product development and manufacturing and providing that as a service on a per project basis as opposed to a full-time engineering or product manufacturing staff that you may not need.
So pretty much we are the attachment to bolt on to your existing sales revenue circle. We provide you that product for you to go and grow your business and expand with. We're manufacturing it behind the scenes, you're selling it out there as your own. It really works out well because the only way we're successful is if you're selling that product.
We're very heavy in the automotive aftermarket. That's a majority of our business comes from there, but we also do defense and marine applications as well. And you end up with what we call the total cost involved strategy. So at the beginning of a project, you know already, this is what my engineering is going to cost, this is what the prototypes are going to cost, and this is what it's going to cost to put it in a box and have it ready to sell, which is a massive advantage to, separate from your normal operations, have this product development track going all the way to the finish line.
The benefit of working with ProtoTitan is that you become a spoke in our wheel, right? All of our partners, whether it be a customer, a supplier, a distributor, a contract engineer in some cases, we really try to make sure everybody in our little circle is benefiting the same way or greater than we are. And that's kind of just what this is all about. We're working with people we genuinely want to work with, and we're having fun doing it.